guys, and welcome to another delicious episode of Shelly's Homemade. And today, guys, we're going to make an easy Thanksgiving recipe, and it's just cranberry sauce. Like, it's ridiculously easy to make. So clean your cranberries and make sure there's no spoiled ones, no real soft ones, like no rocks, nothing. Get your beautiful cranberries into a saucepan. You're going to add a cup of sugar, get you a cup of sugar, 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 cinnamon sticks, boom, and then you want to cover your cranberries with orange juice. That is it, and it's the most flavorful, most delicious cranberry sauce you will ever eat. It's like so easy to make. Nothing to it. It's just cranberries, orange juice, sugar, and cinnamon sticks. And that's it. So, and then you just let it boil. It pops up. It thickens up. The cherries start to pop open, and it starts to thicken up and become gelatin, and turns into this amazing cranberry sauce. Why buy the can? The can costs almost $3, and you get a little bit, so you gotta buy like 2 cans. When you already got an orange juice in your house, and you just buy a $2 bag of cranberries. So easy, so simple. The best cranberry sauce you will ever have. I'm trying to tell you. You can add some lemon zest, some orange zest. You can just do it just like this. However you want to do it, you will have amazing cranberry sauce. And it takes like 15-20 minutes to make. Alright, so we'll be back in that time. Okay, so cranberry sauce is thickened. Looks beautiful. Let's get rid of these cinnamon sticks. It thickens, the more it cools, it thickens even more than it has already. If you like cranberry sauce, you will love this easy, simple recipe. Better than any can you can try. Any can. I served up in a glass bowl, and you done did that thing. Did that. Tell me where you got this recipe from. It's cranberry sauce. Absolutely amazing cranberry sauce. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, guys, have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next video.